In this lesson, we will learn how to integrate products involving the sine and cosine functions of different angles. These products can be expressed in terms of sums or differences of cosines and sines. Let's start. We will explore the following rules for integrating products of sines and cosines. 1 on f(ax) sine bth cos bx 3 cos bx. These functions are essential in many applications, and understanding them will be beneficial. The first equation is cmx cdrn y(x) prac going to be at cosines y(x) but that's 3.3. The second equation is sin ax cos 1 nos bx plus frag less frag 1x reference point 4. The third equation is cos ax frac 1 2 2 the a minus bx plus frac 1 a plus bx reference 3.5. These equations can simplify the process of integrating products. For instance, we can use them to solve integrals over defined limits. Let's see how this can be done step by step. Let's calculate in 0 pi sine 2x sine 3x dx. This will make use of our first equation and lead to simplifications in the computation. Let's start integrating. In conclusion, we've explored integrating products of sine and cosine functions through specific identities that help in simplifying integrals. Keep practicing to master these techniques. Thank you for joining this lesson on integrating products of sine and cosine functions. Continue your studies and apply these concepts in your math journey.